Alright, so we are at flight level 300.
Sorry, was that 7?
This is going to be a full descent, approach, and landing at El Paso in the Vision Jet.
1233, you were blocked.
It's sunset. Should get some amazing views.
Victor Juliet, descend via December 3 arrival at Paso, altimeter 3000.
Descend via the December arrival and 3000 for 13 Victor Juliet. Alright.
We had to catch
Other
it.
aircraft coming up, Ricky, go ahead.
Albuquerque American 186, flight level
2000.
320.
American 186, Albuquerque Center.
We're going to get below that magenta carrot,
along your route.
Got it.
and then we'll come back up.
Roger, is 320 a good altitude?
Okay, what's the lowest altitude on the Stammer? 9,000?
8,000, sir.
Traffic, 1 to 2 o'clock, 5 miles, same direction, VFR, type unknown, altitude indicates 6,600. Should be about 3 miles south of them.
Descent checklist. Let's do it over here.
Thrust lever as required.
So we're still on auto throttle.
Landing field elevation, we have 3,962. Ice protection as required.
Not needed.
Altimeter transition, we have 3000 set as the pre-select. Seatbelts secure, ears in, mine. Brake pressure check.
Push on the brakes, the top. Feel some resistance.
So descent checklist is complete. Next checklist is approach.
Okay, it looks like we've caught the vertical nav.
I see that.
Right, we were coming down to 1,000, now it's 1150, so it's recalibrated itself. Thoughts of what we could do to get ahead of ourselves?
We've done the descent checklist. Next checklist is approach.
Big D487, contact
So,
approach 124.25.
Tap, find, destination, ground, backed up. Tap this again to activate this. And we have information, Juliet. Nice, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So we're 260 now, the same as the runway, so we would be looking into the sun like this, landing. Yep. Standard barrow.
So we may pick up the weather again just because in about 30 seconds it's going to be new.
November 13 Victor Juliet, contact El Paso approach 124.25. Good day.
2425, I think it's a good one. 13 Victor Juliet.
So we have Juliet, and we would take 26 left if it's available.
El Paso approach, Vision Jet 13 Victor Juliet. We have Juliet at El Paso, and we'll take 26 left if it's available.
Vision Jet 13 Victor Juliet El Paso approach, Kilo just published, wind 3403, altimeter 3003, expect visual approach 1126 left.
Expect visual approach, 26 left, 13 Victor Juliet.
Yeah,
We got ground in column 2 backed up, we got tower backed up in column 1. Altimeter's current.
I'd like to do as much as possible, then take over at whatever point. I'm glad we recorded this segment because it's going to get dark.
Vision Jet 3 Victor Juliet, turn left heading 240 to set and maintain 8,000 vector visual approach.
Left 240 and down to 8,000, 13 Victor Juliet. Alright, so 240 and then I'm going heading and then down to 8,000, or it's already set.
Speed.
Vertical speed, okay, got it.
So we're off that.
And then what do you want?
Fine. Do 1,000.
23, turn left heading 240 to set and maintain 8,000 vector visual approach.
Yeah, do 1,500.
Alright, go to 1,500.
8,000 by north 1023.
Vectors for the visual approach. Okay.
So now we can go.
Procedures activate the visual.
I guess really what we want is
The RNAV.
GPS.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right here, you could just change it.
We're going to go to, I'm sorry. Charts. Sorry. There it is. Okay.
Okay, so you've done visual 26 left.
Yep. There's no chart for it.
Track.
So we're fine. 8,000 is what we're assigned.
We put the map back there.
Vision Jet 3 Victor Juliet, past the airport, 1 o'clock, 15 miles.
13 Victor Juliet, we're looking.
Vision Jet 3
I've got it.
Victor Juliet, just set and maintain 6,500.
Down to 6,500 and we have detailed site, 13 Victor Juliet.
3 Victor Juliet, clear visual approach, runway 26 left.
Clear visual approach, 26 left, 13 Victor Juliet. Okay, see the Pappy on the right side?
Got it.
miles west past airport.
And I see the other runway on the, to the right of it, 26 right. Let's make that a little bit shallower. We'll line up.
0 Kilo Romeo, Roger, pass altimeter 3003.
Autopilot away.
Vision Jet 3 Victor Juliet, 170 graded till 5 mile final, contact tower 183.
170 graded till final, officer tower 183, 3 Victor Juliet.
Okay, knots of flaps. Launch 170, so a little faster still. Paso Tower.
El Paso Tower, Vision Jet 13 Victor Juliet, visual 26 left.
Vision Jet 13 Victor Juliet, El Paso Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 13 Victor Juliet. And gear?
Yep. Oh, let's slow it down a bit. Medium gear.
Alright, speed checks, gear down.
Big D 47, turn left on uniform.
I'm giving it all over to you. You have flight controls.
Flight controls.
Left on uniform, taxi to park.
Paso Tower, flight west 1023, it's on the visual 26
Speed
left.
check. Full flaps.
Consagan? Just flatten west 1023, visual 26 left. Flatten west 1023, El Paso Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land 10603. Clear to land 26 left, thank you.
Pump up a little power. Okay, so we are fast
A little bit left.
and high and a little left. Power back to 20. Okay. We are ref plus 15. Slowing.
500.
Continuing.
Paso Tower, Troy 201, at Winnebago, information keel like I-10 West departure.
Oh,
Troy 201, El Paso Tower.
Ref plus 10.
Use caution, squawk 0467.
0467, Troy 201 on the go.
ref plus 6. Still have a right crosswind of 2 knots.
Yeah.
Right of course, correcting. Confirm 3 green, full flaps cleared to land. Ref plus 3. Power's coming out.
Stall.
How was that?
Nice.
We're looking for Millionaire to our left somewhere. So we can make this taxiway to Victor.
Vision Jet 3 Victor Juliet, turn left on Victor, and say park.
Parking Millionaire for 3 Victor Juliet.
3 Victor Juliet, roger, taxi to park via Lima, Zulu 1, remain this frequency.
Taxi via Lima Zulu, this frequency 3 Victor Juliet.
Right will be Lima, Zulu 1 will be the next left.
Got it.